Okay, so what's the first thing that's instructions that came with
Try
it?
again. Try again.
Okay, the Monoprice MP Mini Delta V2 3D printer, quick start guide. Unbox the printer, which we did. And then locate the two vertical slots on the side, which is right there. And take the filament holder and install it. So you put it in and push it down. There you go. Now it says to press down on the, place the sample filament on the holder. Okay. I would probably turn it around this way so that it goes in this way rather than that way because it's awkward. Okay, where's the filament extruder gear? Right there. Okay, how do you insert it? Oh, wait, hold on. It's telling you to insert it, but I think you plug in and power on the printer. Somebody told me to plug it in first so that when you insert it, that it kind of melts down onto the plate. And, okay, well, hold it a little bit closer to the tip, Chris, rather than right here. Hold it closer like that when you're inserting it. Push it in.
Good.
I tried it a little bit more. Does it go in? There you go. It slides in more?
No.
Because it has to slide in all the way
Yeah,
until it gets down to the nozzle.
Hmm.
Okay. Does it go in?
It feels like it's going in. That's right.
Okay, just leave it like that. The next step is says release, deliver, and then that secures that filament. Plug in the power and power on the printer.
No.
So first you have to plug in the
What?
adapter.
Get out. You dying laughing? Felt it on my foot. Let's get in right here. It's not plugged it in right there. I'm getting one of these, please. What's wrong with you? Doesn't want to go in.
Here. There's the power strip here. Just
Attempt to plug it in.
here. Can you hold that up straight? Okay. Just
Let's go with that.
go ahead and insert it in the power. Hold the box while you're doing it.
Bad idea.
You shouldn't force it. It should just glide in there. There you go. Now go ahead and power it on.
You can do that.
There's a, I think there's a menu somewhere. Where is it? Oh, it's on the front here. Okay, so what we're going to do, let me take off this display thing. Go ahead and turn on the switch. And we'll see if there's any type of
Smoke. Trying to switch.
I wasn't going to say smoke. But
I know that. I'm kidding.
maybe introduction. Select a language.
I don't know any language. I'm a total idiot. Move your hand.
Okay, so we're selecting English, and then it says Wi-Fi setting. After networking, you can send the files to the 3D printer wirelessly or use the app to remotely control the printer. Do you need to configure the Wi-Fi network connection now?
No.
Let's go ahead and do it, but we probably won't use it.
Well, we can do it later.
I would do it now.
Why? Oh, whatever.
There are two ways to configure the Wi-Fi. Click Next. Select the available SSD.
SSID.
SSID and...
Yes, I know that.
Okay.
Ever.
Okay.
This one?
We're on number 2.
Connect. Look, move the phone away.
Okay.
Excessive typing. Especially because it does not censor what I'm typing. I cannot type on this. Help.
Oh, no, it doesn't. Is there a pen that comes with it?
Probably not. Why does that really matter? Drive me insane. Oh. Maybe we do need a pen. Like this.
Here, I got one of these stylus pens, these rubber pens here.
No, this is the official pen.
Oh. That's what that's for. Okay. Never mind.
That's good, right?
Okay.
Next.
Wi-Fi says connected.
Please
okay,
insert
good.
it.
And then
PDF card.
welcome to use Mini Delta 3D printer. Please insert the TF card and load the filament into the extruder.
Where do you put the TF card?
Okay.
What
The
is
instructions
the TF card?
already told us to do that. But
Where's the TF card?
that's the TF card.
It was like
That
an
little
SD.
small
Micro SD.
micro
What
SD.
card do I put it in? Where is it? Wait,
It's
wait, do I
on.
put it?
It's on the same. Oh wait, no, it's right here. There's a slot right there. It's probably the top or the label facing you on the right. There should be only one way to go in anyway.
I think it's multiple ways.
Insert the filament and wait a while
okay.
heating. Okay, it says you gotta wait.
A long time.
I heard that it takes a while, up to like 15 minutes, but we'll see how long.
Let me put gloves up, by the way.
Yeah, you can insert the filament, but don't push it all the way into through the nozzle until it's heated up, so that you could see that it kind of melts as it's coming out a little bit, and then you just kind of wipe that off. Actually, it's heating up pretty quick.
No, that's probably means it can blow up. Okay. Should I wet my hand on it?
No.
I'm sarcastic. When it reaches 210 degrees, it will explode, I promise. I'm just joking. I'm trying to anti-jinx. The jinx.
Yeah, they include these angle, what are they called? Angle wrenches?
Yeah. I'm not sure.
And this is when you make your 3D print, then this scrapes it off the platform.
It's legal. I don't know what if you put.
They added a couple
this.
stickers on there.
And this.
And type of filament we're using is the PLA filament.
Look, Dad.
Nozzle temperature.
Filament
Okay,
feeding.
it's already finished. Wow, that was only like 2 minutes.
It's
maybe.
feeding. It's being fed. Food. Food.
Feeding filament. Filament filter.
Feeding. Filament feeding.
Is it? Look in the back to see if it's feeding or if it's stuck.
I'm not sure. I can't tell.
Can you hold the camera while I try to feed it through? What does it say? Notice, please clean the extruded filaments on the nozzle and platform and click next.
You can do that.
Clean the extruded filaments. It didn't come through. Hold on. That's why I said feed it through. Can you hold the camera, please? Thank you very much.
Yeah, well, you didn't tell me to.
Tell me when it comes through the nozzle.
Okay.
You know where the nozzle is?
Nope.
That's brass
that bottom.
thing. That cone-shaped thing.
Okay, keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Drop it on my head. Sorry, video. Watch. Come on, go through. Faster before I'm driven insane.
I don't want to go too fast.
I mean, no. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep on going, keep on going, keep on going, keep on going.
Oh, so it's taking a lot.
So next year. Oh, it's there.
How do you know?
It looks like it.
Oh yeah, you see
A little white
probably
thing.
an eighth of an inch sticking out.
Yep.
Okay, please clean the extruded filaments on the nozzle and platform. Okay, what do? Just take this...
No, I wouldn't. It's plastic.
Huh?
Plastic on 110 Celsius, Dad? Seriously?
Oh, okay. You don't want to melt your scraper?
I don't feel like it.
Okay, and then click next to start printing. Okay, next.
Say no.
The TF card is not found. You know why?
Because they didn't put it in the right. They didn't put it in the right way, at least.
Probably put it in backwards.
One of the two. Not to burn. Okay, next. One thing, you go in.
Or
Let me
go in one way?
Let me do it.
Hold on a minute. Let me do it.
Maybe try next now.
Seemed like it was in there. Yeah,
That's good.
in there.
Yeah. Next. There
we go.
Well, let's see. Printing.
Okay.
Printing a little bottle
now,
opener.
Oh, look at it's moving. Videotape it moving.
I will. It doesn't appear to know where the ground is.
Okay. Now it's going to go down until it touches the platform.
And breaks it. I was kidding.
What it does is it just kind of taps it in several different locations to balance it or level it. See that? Are you videotaping it?
Yeah, I am.
Wonderful.
Pretty cool.
It says 2 seconds so far.
Should be 9 minutes.
179, 181 degrees C. 4% finished.
You can do something and sit there.
I know, keep recording it because we want to show people how long it takes for this to do this.
This is 9 minutes. I know it's earlier.
Well, that's not 9 minutes yet that we've been videotaping for that long. Okay, now it's printing something. Oh, look at that, it's printing.
I don't see anything. Oh.
Yeah, it's coming out and it's printing something. You gotta learn some of the the terminology of
3D printing.
if that's the base or whatever they call it.
Probably the base. It's supposed to be on every other line. What are they gonna do next? Do every other not line? Didn't do?
There you go.
Not. What is it grading? What's it doing? Can't see.
Just kind of going back and forth.
Oh, I think it's filling it in right now.
Yeah, it's filling
Okay. Still job done. Every other line first.
it in. See the fan trying to cool it off?
Yeah. Trying to. That's pretty cool.
Is that cool?
Yeah.
That's pretty simple. No problem so far. It's been pretty smooth. Just have to make sure you insert that SD card in. It seemed like it was in, but we pulled it out and put it back in and it was fine.
Yep.
And it's printing out. Nice little circle base.
It's taking another part of the filament.
Yeah, it's
I'm gesturing to the filament, but you can't see it.
see in the back here. Yeah, it's kind of pulling in that filament as it's needing more. It says 200 degrees.
Nice.
C.
C at Celsius. That was
I
Celsius.
was under the assumption it was 200 degrees Fahrenheit, but
Nope.
it says 200
Over
degrees
twice
C.
boiling. Over twice boiling.
It says there's two values, 200 degrees C and 40 degrees C.
I'm not sure
So
what
it
40
must be
is.
the nozzle or something.
The 40,
We'll
yeah.
find out when we read up a little bit more about the... It says 8.5 minutes left to go. And it says it's already been 3 minutes and 50 seconds.
It's a long time me sending. You want to hold the phone again, Dad?
That says catring.g code.
It's a cat ring.
I don't know. It looks like a ring that you put on your finger, and it has cat ears.
Let me see.
What do they call it? Cat ears. Cat ring. Yeah.
To me, it looks like a bottle opener, but okay.
No.
The bottle opener.
Well, hopefully it's your size so that you can put it on your finger since it's your printer now.
Or beep.
Just got it today or yesterday.
Well, you can hold the camera, Dad, please.
Oh,
Because you're better at holding cameras than I am.
okay.
I have zoomed in a bit.
Oh, you can unzoom.
Because I was a little bit far away.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
It's not noisy either. It's pretty.
Oh, it's quiet. I can't even hear it.
I can hear it, but
I can hear it very little. People were telling me, not telling me, but on our
That's on the forums.
on the forums, they're saying that it's super noisy.
Well, maybe that's what. Maybe that's super noisy for.
That the temperature wouldn't heat up past 60 degrees.
Maybe
It's like-
maybe that just means super noisy. That
Yeah.
sound. Maybe that's considered super noisy in 3D printing world. I don't know.
And I've seen these arms here. What are they called? Linear
What's the big head?
actuators or whatever. Arms. Anyway, they have ones that go down and the other ones going
Don't
up.
touch
It's
it,
like,
please.
no, I'm not touching it.
Pretty
All
close.
kinds of problems out there.
Kind of stacking
But
up now. Oh, there you go.
either they're getting a faulty product, but this one came out of the box and it's working like a champ here
I'll
so
be right
far.
back. Let's see ya.
I don't see how it can go wrong. Unless it was a used one that somebody messed it up. But this one is working really well. Super quiet fan. Super quiet print. Yeah, that's not a problem at all. My regular LaserJet printer is noisier than this. Okay, it says 3.5 minutes left. And we've already exceeded 7 minutes. And they said people were complaining that this plastic thing couldn't take it off the platform, and sometimes it would break your product. And it said the best idea is to let this thing shut it off and let the thing cool down or something.
Oh, this is going to stick more, wouldn't it?
No, once the platform cools down, then your product dries, then it should be easy to take off with that plastic. Some people are using like metal box cutters or something, which is kind of scraping up the platform.
That's worse.
Yeah, I don't think I would use that. We'll find out how it works.
Well, I'm looking for my phone. You know
Okay,
what?
got a minute. No, I don't know where you put your phone.
Somewhere around here.
Well, that's going to be a big cat ring. Probably fit my thumb. 20 seconds left, it says. 9 seconds. 0 seconds. There you go. Oh, look at that. Nice little cat ring with the base. So it prints the base first and then prints your product on top of that. Looks like there's something, some of the filaments actually still hanging, like a thread of it. I guess that's where you have to have something to clean it off. I don't know what you would use to clean it off. Maybe a cloth or something. I don't know. I'll find out before I do it. And that's it. I'll let you know how it scrapes off the platform there. I was told not to take it off right away, to let it cool down, but I think the only way it could cool down is if you shut the machine off, because I think it keeps it at a constant temperature of 200. So I'm going to close the video here. Hope that gave you a good view of how this thing is working. It works like a champ right now.